I'm here to introduce a new episode for you here today. So say goodbye to flappy soles. I'm here to show you the secrets to a professional reglue here at home. So just to get a quick look, here's your soles. Let's get into this video. So it finally happened. Your favorite, most comfortable running shoes are starting to fall apart. You know that sound, the dreaded flop, flop, flop to the sole peeling away with every step? Well, don't you dare throw those shoes out. Today, I'm going to show you professionally how to step-by-step method to permanently rebind the soles, creating a fix that be even stronger and more durable than the original factory seal. And no, we're not using whatever mystery glue is right around in your junk drawer. We're talking about a permanent flexibility and waterproof that will bind and laugh in the face of heat, rain, and hundreds of more miles. This is how the pros do it. And once you learn this, you'll never have to prematurely retire a good pair of shoes. Yeah, you see me gluing shoes in my lemon pepper steppers. You probably got you a pair, don't you? Or you want some. But let's get back to this gluing real quick. As you might previously seen before, you'll need a solvent to clean the surface. This is non-negotiable. Trying to glue a dirty shoe is like trying to put a sticker on a dusty wall. It just won't work. You'll need acetone or alcohol, but this stuff will act as a degreaser, stripping away dirt, grime, and most importantly, the old failed factory adhesive finish. Obviously, we're doing a reglue, so that's use an applicator or a paintbrush. Spread a thin layer of even coats on both sides of the surface, the bottom of the shoes and the top of the sole. Think of it like painting or varnishing, not frosting a cake. A thin coat is stronger than a thick, gloopy one. Pay attention to the edges since that's where the peeling always starts. Now for the most important part, counterintuitive steps of all things that you need. You have to let the glue dry, seriously. You need to let the solvent evaporate, which takes about 10 to 15 minutes while drying. You absolutely must keep two surfaces from touching, and you can properly pull them apart. Paper clips or a piece of folding cardboard, or you can get clamps and use those. You can get those from the Dollar Tree or Home Depot. So you prop the shoes up, don't let them touch each of the surfaces. So after about 15 minutes, the glue should be tacky. It shouldn't transfer to your finger if you give it a light tap. That's the sweet spot though. For an even stronger bind, some pros even apply a second coat right on top of the first one and let it dry to be a steady state as well. Now, clamp it down. Start by placing the clamps around the edges of the shoe. You want firm, even pressure everywhere. So if you see any tiny gaps, you put the clamp. A great tip is put small piece of cardboard between the clamps of the shoe to prevent any marks or dents. For the middle, you can do a C clamp. Works great, but just be careful not to over tighten and crush the shoe. If you're using a band or book method, you want to wrap it tightly, or you can use a shoestring like I'm doing here. I like the shoestring method. You can tighten it as much as you want around the middle and the sides. The clamps is on, the pressure is applied, now you wait. This is the easiest and most hardest part. The bind feels stronger away, but the adhesive is still curing and building up to its maximum strength. You have to let the shoe cure under pressure for at least 24 hours. Honestly, I like to wait 48 and 72 hours. There you have it. Go ahead, pick up the shoes, flex it, bend it, twist it. That bond is incredibly strong and totally seamless.